Louise Lett appeared in Fulton Superior Court today in an attempt to salvage her probation in connection with a conviction of credit card fraud last March. To determine whether her probation should be revoked, Judge John Langford heard testimony from people involved in the investigation of crimes Mrs. Lett has been charged with since her probation began. Perhaps the most startling piece of testimony came from Atlanta Homicide Detective Fred Huffman, the primary investigator of the Grady baby kidnapping case. Huffman revealed that when police first went to the Lett residence, suspecting that the infant there was the kidnapped baby, the Atlanta Police Identification Squad said that footprints taken of the baby in the Lett house did not match those taken of the baby kidnapped from Grady. Later, Huffman testified that the state crime lab also matched footprints and determined they were identical. Mrs. Lett sat with her attorney, TV Mullinax, while her probation officer testified that she had said she had cancer, heart disease, and a brain tumor and had only 6 to 12 months to live. Because of that, Mrs. Lett was allowed to satisfy her probation requirements by mail. When the more than 1 hour's worth of testimony was over, Judge Langford said there was substantial evidence to show that Mrs. Lett had violated the terms of her probation. He ordered it revoked. The world is falling down around Louise Lett. She will now serve the remainder of her formerly probated sentence, a year and a half, in prison. Next Tuesday, she will be arraigned on kidnapping and forgery charges connected with the Grady case, and on October 9th, she will face a preliminary hearing in connection with a theft by taking charge in DeKalb. Marc Pickard, Action News.